One thing that
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing some what's it called?
Subway Surfer.
Subway Surfers. And then we're gonna open a bunch of chests. No.
No what?
Hmm?
No what?
I'm gonna double that up. I just got 3,000 gold
You did?
for doubling up 1,500. Okay, I don't think they want to watch this. Okay, we're back. And we got 3,000 coins magically. Wow. Now we got a hoverboard. I'm not gonna double that. Dude, is it worth it? No.
Didn't you get like 6 or 8?
Yeah, I got those are good. I got 16 of them now. Freshest radio.
You said double that. You got 6 of them.
No, you don't.
Oh, you.
I don't want that guy. He's weird. I need to get more money. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Dude, he's good though. Because once you collect a coin, it gives you 5 times. Well, no. The last guy gives you 5 times or something like that. But he gives you 2 times the amount of money that you get from your normal guys.
And we're also going to buy the offer in the store, wherever it is. It's 99 cents. Where is it?
It's Boost Ups.
Boost Ups? Oh, damn, I just lost it.
Boost.
Don't touch it. There. We're going to buy this, guys. Let's buy it.
Don't let them see your thing.
I have one more. There we go, guys. We did it. I wish I got the Pro Pack. It gives you 30,000 gold, 50 boards, 10 ring keys, and 10 of those.
Didn't you just get that?
No. Oh yeah, let's go into the shop. I might not spend it. I'm probably just gonna save it. I don't know why.
Wait, what did you get?
What does this do?
It upgrades for your things.
I'm not gonna do it.
Circles, longer, something.
I'm gonna get this boost though. I'm just gonna keep on doing them. And then I can get like the super far record. Oh no, it only goes once. I just got an extra 6,000 though.
Extra 6. Ow.
6,000 feet.
Ow.
I would totally show them the weird bump on my head, but I don't think it makes sense to.
No.
Like I'm doing a video of a game.
Not showing people a bump on your head. I'll see you.
Okay, where are you going? You gotta take a dump? Okay. No, I'm gonna save myself. And use one of these again. And another one. And another one. And another one. Guys, if you don't know, Lucas is taking a crap. Lucas, say hi. Lucas. Okay. Guys, whatever you do, do not subscribe to Lucas. He's so dumb. His channel's the worst channel in the world. No one has subscribed to him. He has 0... I'm kidding. But he does have 0 subscribers, guys. Please subscribe to him. His channel's called Lucas Vince. And he's still taking a crap. Oh, he's done. Lucas, did you even wipe your butt?
Yeah.
That was pretty friggin' quick. Yo, I got 33,000 for my running. Isn't that pretty far?
No.
What do you mean?
Not for champions.
I'm not a champion.
No, like, if you were talking to a champion, no, that wouldn't be far.
Okay, it's far for me.
People break that.
Okay, don't even touch my screen. Don't. I'm gonna die. My hoverboards is the only thing that's gonna save me.
Well, use a hoverboard.
I want to get to 40,000.
Oh, are you? No, yeah.
Every rose has its thorns.
You might not, actually. Yeah, you do.
There we go.
Can
Come on,
you
get
do
down.
my
No!
attack?
Oh!
What?
I almost died.
What the frick was? Huh?
It was just a noise. Like you make any better noises.
I know who does.
Who?
Freaking Ty in the bed.
Oh, God. Did you just fart? Lucas? No, I died! I'm saving myself. Rockets. I'm gonna buy 3 of them. How far does this make me?
I can get 4.
How far does this make me go? How far does this make me go?
If you upgrade, it goes farther.
Holy damn.
You can make it to 60,000 maybe.
Yo, I'm doing so good.
Why did you just fail?
Nope, I'm using the hoverboard. I'm using my boss one. It's so cool. But it's for free. The entire thing's for free.
What, the game?
No, the board. This one's for free.
Yeah, I know. I'm using the birthday one.
Yeah, I don't like it. I can't believe how good I'm doing, dude. No. Oh, I thought I just had to restart. I would have been so mad.
You made it
What
to
the flip?
60,000.
No! No, I almost got 70,000, guys. No, I can't beat that now. I don't have enough rockets. I just spent like almost all my friggin' rockets.
No, dude, upgrade it.
Upgrade it. Oh, yeah, okay.
It makes you go longer.
I don't think I can upgrade it.
No, you can.
Oh, I only have 9 left.
Yeah,
Damn.
you'll have to upgrade them.
The jetpack?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I think I'm just gonna save my money.
Oh,
Lucas.
dude, get the thing.
I'm gonna go at me. Yeah. What do I got? I got 3 keys. Cool, I don't
I
care.
got 4.
I don't care. Got more than you.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, I do.
Uh-uh.
I have 6. Look how cool that looks. Do you like this one more?
Mm-mm.
This one's better.
Mm-mm.
Out of the ones that I can friggin' afford.
You can't afford them?
I want this guy. $7 for this?
Yeah, I have that blue guy.
Okay, get your chewing crap out of my video. It's annoying as heck. Yeah, look, you can just get an average, but it looks cooler like this. See? Woohoo! This is 90? I think that's a total rip-off.
Mm-mm.
Should I save up for like a really cool board? This one's really cool. My favorite one is this one.
Yeah.
Look how much freaking gold it is.
That one's like no gold.
Okay, screw it. I'll just upgrade other things. Shop. Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to upgrade this.
Yes, you are. You put on the jetpack.
Okay. Let's buy it. What'd I get? 2.
What the heck? What did you do?
No! Wait, does it work? I don't
You
know
just
if I-
have to type in an email.
Oh yeah, I can do my mom's.
Yeah, then
Lindsay
you'll get this
Aaron-
guy 25 keys.
Wait,
I think.
it didn't work. Quad magnet? I don't want that. What did I get? Precious stereo. What did I get? 2 hoverboards. What did I get? This next one has to be gold, guys. I knew it. I'm gonna double that up. You guys don't have to watch the video, so I'm just gonna press pause.
Let's run. I got 6 of them. Oh, no, I died.
Double it up again.
You can?
I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay, we're back. What the frick is this?
It's a weird thing that you get double XP. Double XP start bonus.
Well, that's not worth it. What did I get? 1,000? No, 292. I got Spike's stupid guitar again.
He's actually good.
Yeah, but it takes like forever to get him.
He's better than you on the game.
Come on. I'm almost out of gold. And I just spent $1 on this damn
Oh, yeah, I
game.
forgot
Oh,
that.
another 3,000. That's gonna load it up. And now I'll skip it once again. Or pause. Okay, bye.
3.
Okay, we're back. And let's open more. I got one of these red things.
Yeah, dude, you can do 6 chests.
I've done so many chests that I haven't ran it all in this video.
I think you ran 1 or 2 times.
No.
Oh.
It's gonna be like a 15-minute long video of just opening boxes. No, I ran out of gold. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a run, and I'm gonna pause it so you guys don't have to watch, and I'll get the gold by the time. Peace out. Okay, I just did one, and I got a new high score as well. 71,000. Okay, let's go in the shop. Let's buy one. Let's buy one. I'm gonna double that up. That's 8 hoverboards. That's pretty damn good. Oh yeah, you guys don't want to see this. There we go. I got 50 friggin' hoverboards, dude. I got 50 of them. I'm gonna leave it at that for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, remember to smash that like button. This little guy, you need to tap him down below. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.
What the heck was that?